Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. I was just thinking when I pressed play that it might be a little distracting. I feel like my background's a little chaotic. This is my tarot table here, and this is my spruce Springsteen, my spruce tree I mentioned in a video. I thought I'd show here. So cute. But today we're opening up a Yule box. Oops. Okay, so I kind of peeked. That's why that just fell. So this box right here, this is a limited edition box called the Yule box by 9 of Earth. 9 of Earth is a monthly tarot and oracle subscription. I opened that recently. I will link the November unboxing down below if you want to check that out. So this is not one of their regular monthly boxes. This was something you could purchase in addition, and it was during their Black Friday sale. I just looked online. I couldn't see it on their website right now, but I'm thinking you can get at least some of these items in their shop, or maybe they're selling it under a past box. So I'll link their website along with the most recent unboxing of this. So if you want to see more what the monthly subscription is like, because again, this is just a one-time box, and this was $60. And so cute. Let's get it open. So there's no like spoilers or anything for this box, but it's similar where you get a deck and some Yule themed items. So happy Yule season, everyone. Let's get this open. Oops, sorry, spruce. So there is a card right on top. Oh, something smells really good. How cute. I think this is actually something we could use for other people. Awesome, by Cherry Human Studios. Often cheery, always human. I think this is awesome. So they gave us a Christmas card, but it's blank so we could use this for other people. And there's a freaking unicorn on it. How cute is this? Let's see, I think it's blank on the inside. Yeah. Awesome. This is like the cutest Christmas card ever. And then, oh, cute. This is what all the information's on. What smells so good? Hi, Emmy. She's just napping. So you could even use this for like cardstock or something too. But anyways, look all the items in here. We have a bunch of items. Oh my gosh. I had a feeling what the deck would be. Let's see if we can start with that. Or so everything is packaged super well in this box. I feel like I should. Sorry, I was gonna do just an overhead filming video. Maybe I'll switch to the overhead now that we're at the unboxing part. All right, much better, I think. Sorry for the chaotic beginning of the video. So here is that card up close. And then this is the information card with all of the items inside. There's so many. And the first item I pulled out, super excited about this. This is by Earth and Anchor. Hand-dipped incense, 10 incense sticks, and balsam cedar. Oh my God, it smells like Christmas. Or Yule, sorry. Ooh, look. The candle. Stuck it over my tripod. Ooh, looks like a candle. I love candles. I honestly believe you cannot have too many candles. I mean, I go through them. This is really well wrapped. Oh my God, it's like, I think I could smell it already. Maybe it was that incense. Candy cane. So my weekend is booked. 100% plant-based fragrance, no synthetics, made in Canada, natural soy wax. So cute. Take a look. Oh my God. It smells like toasted pecans and candy cane together? Or now is it mostly just candy cane? Okay, now I'm smelling mostly candy cane. But there's like some like hint of some notes of something more like buttery. Let me see if I can find it on here. So the incense was $5 for anyone wondering. The Merry and Magical Unicorn card by Cherry Human Studios was $5.50. And then this is $30, and it says, let this blissful scent of peppermint and vanilla make your holidays bright. Or maybe it's just vanilla that I was smelling. A warm and inviting aroma that plays homage to a nostalgic holiday classic. The scent notes are crisp peppermint, vanilla bean, and falling snow. 100% soy wax, plant-derived fragrance, and essential oils. This smells so good. Oh my god. I was just thinking, while I was like talking to my cat, literally. I was like, oh my god, you know, it doesn't feel like Christmas time here, but like, it's not that far away. I should listen. I'm not like, oh my gosh. I just lost my train of thought. I just think I should play holiday music, but now my mind is on like, oh my god, so I'm doing a fast right now. I only have like an hour to go, thank goodness. This is like, oh my god, I love chocolate bark. So this is Tricket Chocolate Gingerbread Chocolate Bark. Oh my god, you guys, this is like so good. Oh my god, this is like exactly what I love. Fine couverture, I don't know that word, couverture milk and white chocolate swirled with ginger cookie crumbs and crystallized ginger pieces. Oh my god, that's gonna last like 2 seconds. Now we have another thing here. Oh, I love these. These are so cute and fun and yummy. This is also by Tricket Chocolate. This is hot chocolate on a stick and peppermint flavor. Oh my god, this will be a great dessert. Yum. Tea. Oh my god, this sounds so good too. All these are so desserty and yummy, and that's like such a Yule thing, you know, like feeling all cozy and comfort stuff. Yes. Oh, I've had their tea before. Plum Deluxe Tea, hand blended, fresh with love. Vanilla sugar cookie dessert tea. Oh my god. Lightly sweet and spiced, full of love. This sounds so good. So this is caffeine free. So this really is a good dessert treat. I am trying, this is like my first day. I've been working out, but I've not been good with eating. And even though I've been working out every day, I have gained weight, and I mean, I know it's normal, whatever, but I want to be better about it, and I know it's because I love dessert so much, so I should have more dessert teas at night, is my whole point of that whole runoff story, but yeah, this is going to be perfect for that. Thank you. Good timing, even though I'm going to devour chocolate first, but, you know, after today. Green rooibos, cinnamon chips, blackberry leaf, ginger root, fennel seeds, vanilla essence. Nice. You can see that I was talking about. We'll just do that last time. So we have a bath bomb, and it says, "Give the gift that gives a season, or gives twice." Candy cane. A portion of every sale will go directly to our giving organization that helps moms in need as a way to spread our love to those who need it too. Oh, I love that. I'm loving all of these fragrances right now. Everything smells so good. Sugar cookie. Sugar Scrub by Karen & Co. Bath and Body. So this is a sugar scrub that smells like sugar cookies. Oh my god, yes. Some lip balm. I could use some actually. I used to have like a surplus, and then all of a sudden I'm like running low. So perfect. And this is so pretty, isn't this? Oh my god. Sweet Like Honey is the fragrance. Poppy and Pout Sweet Mint Lip Balm. This is so cute, this packaging. I love it. And then, I could use some soap too. Sweet Harvest Farms Candy Cane Artisan Soap. I was using a soap I got in this box before. It was like something witchy, but it smelled really good. So I'm out of my artisan soap, so this is perfect timing too. Oh man, this is a big soap. Do not use until, oh, okay, it's past that date. Awesome. Love it. And then we have our deck, but let's look at this. So we wore those like Swedish cloths. They have like little cute like Yule confetti in here. So these are awesome. I've gotten these before in different boxes, and they're reusable paper towels pretty much. And this is so cute and perfect for this time of year. Oh yeah, here, I think it'll explain it more. 3 Bluebirds Swedish dishcloth. Clean Life, Green Planet. This eco-friendly cleaning cloth replaces paper towels and sponges for household chores, absorbs 20 times its weight, lasts 6 to 9 months, 100% compostable, 0 waste. I want to get a compost bin. I've been meaning to do so. That's my reminder. I think it came up in a podcast I was listening to today too. But now, our deck. So that we have The Seasons of the Witch Yule Oracle by Lorraine Anderson and Juliet Diaz, illustrated by Giada Rose. And I actually have this deck already. It's actually pretty new to my collection. I had a feeling this would be in here, but I wasn't positive, so I still wanted this, and I got this at a local metaphysical shop. So I am going to be doing a giveaway of this deck, but it's going to be on my other channel, Kitty Outside the Box, where I do tarot readings and deck flip throughs. So I'm going to do a deck flip through of this deck for those who are interested in it on that channel. I'll link it below. That video will come out at the same time as this. And in that video, there'll be a giveaway. So I'll probably have it go for like a week so I can get this still in Yule season to you. So if you guys are not already subscribed to my Kitty Outside the Box channel and you are interested in this deck, then definitely check out that video. And also you could get the full walkthrough. So it comes with this booklet. Here are the backs. And it's green gilded edges. Oh, love that. And here are a few cards. So how many are there, did you say? 55 or something? We'll go through that more though. Oh, Emmy, there's 44. So they're numbered. They each have like a keyword, I guess, and then a little poem. And then they have more keywords and descriptions in this box. So on my other video, I will go card through card. Put this in order, you guys. And then we'll shuffle it and then draw a card for the collective. So we'll get a little mini reading. And then we'll talk about how to enter the giveaway if you're interested in getting this deck. I've used it in a couple of readings. Well, I used it in my December Zodiac readings, or the most recent Zodiac readings I've done. And they're a really great addition. I also have, by the same creators, the Seasons of the Beltane deck, and I love this one too. I've had this longer. I really love it. But so far I'm loving this too. So I am super happy to be able to share it with one of you guys. So thank you guys all for being here. Definitely check out the other video, link down below, Kitty Outside the Box. I love you guys so much. I hope you are well. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and have an amazing Yule season. I love you all. Bye.